Now, so good morning. Today we'll be discussing the tree traversal. Okay, is it audible? Can anybody reply me? So you can. Okay, okay. So today we will be in the previous classes we have discussed how a binary tree will be there, how what is the implementation, everything we discussed. Now today we will be discussing tree traversal. So what do you mean by tree traversal? That you should understand. What do you mean by tree traversal? Tree traversal means it is nothing but the way of traveling and visiting all the nodes in a tree. So that's the thing. Traversal. The traversals means traveling, traveling from one node to another node, visiting all the nodes. Okay, that's the meaning. So how I will visit the nodes? So you can see the diagram here. The nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can travel from node 1 to 2 and again visit 3, 4, 5. In any way I can what we call I can travel and visit the nodes in any order. First time I visit 4, first time I visit 5, first time I visit 2, first time I visit 1, first time I visit 3. First time if I visit 1 I can visit, second I can visit 3, or second I can visit 5, 4, 3. In many ways I can visit the nodes in a tree. There are many ways to visit different nodes in a tree. So you can see here. But there is a what we call there is a way, there is an order, a small set of order, what we call to visit the nodes, to visit different nodes. So what is that order? So you can see here. So in general, in data structures, three proposals were made for visiting the different nodes in the tree traversal. What are they? In order, pre-order, and post-order. In order means what? First, you visit the left node, next root node, next right child. First visit the left child, next root child, next right child. Pre-order means what? First you visit the root parent, that is root means parent node. Next left child, next right child. Post order, left child, right child, root or parent. So this is the order. These three orders we will be using in our data structures. There will be many ways for visiting different nodes in a tree. That is, I can traversal means traveling and visiting different nodes in a binary tree. I can visit in many ways, but there are some specified ways, which will be used in our data structures. Only three types, that are in order, pre-order, post-order. So you can see here. So in this one, see, first we will discuss in order. So in order, what I told, first I will visit the left child. So what is the left child here means, because it is a tree, it is a tree, it is a tree. For example, you don't consider 4 and 5, for example. Then what will be the visiting thing? See, 1 minute. For example, for example, 1 minute. So for example, first consider this example. A is the root of parent node, B is the left sub child, C is the right child. So what will be the in order? In order is, first visit the left child, next root, next right subchild. Post order, so pre-order, for example, pre-order. So first visit the first visit the root node or parent node A. Next left or left subchild, left child. Next right child. Post order. So first left child, next right child, next root of parent node. So this is the order. So you can see here. So in order, pre-order, post-order. In order means left, next root, next right. Pre-order means next, what we call, pre-order means first A, next B, next C. Post-order means B left, next C right, next root. Post means what? Last. So last, the root of parent node comes. Pre means what? Front. So in the beginning only, the root of parent node comes. In means what? In between left and right child. So in between the left and subchild, this root will be, root of parent node will be there. So you can see. Now this is the simple way of representation. Now if I take big tree, something it is having some 10 or 15 nodes or something like that, then how I will approach? Then simple logic. See, first you consider one as root of parent node. Next, there are into the left there are 3 nodes. So what you have to think is, you consider this whole subtree, this is a whole subtree, subpart, as a left child. Consider it as a left child. And this right part, whole right part as a right child. Okay. So this is left child and this is right child. So whenever there are more than 3 nodes in the tree, that is more than 3. First example which we have seen is having only 3 nodes A, B, C. But if we are having more than 3 nodes, and if the tree is having more than 2-3 levels, then how I have to consider for visiting the nodes, for traversing in order or post order or pre-order? First consider the left part, the whole left part as left subtree. Instead of left child, I will consider the whole left subtree as left child. Instead of right child, I will consider the whole left part, right part as right subtree as right child. So in one word, left subtree is left child, right subtree is right child. Okay, that is the thing. So now we consider in our example. So if we consider our example. So in order means what? Left subtree, right root node, and right subtree. That's the thing. Here also that is the same thing. Left node, root, right node. So here also left subtree, root, right node. So left subtree. So you can see the left subtree. When left subtree, first I will take the left subtree, next I will print 1, next I will print 3. So in again left subtree, I will consider the in order. So in the left subtree, what is the in order? 4, 2, 5. So you can see here 4, 2, 5. Now this whole left child is over, or the left subtree is over. Next, what I will do? I will consider the root node, that is 1. Next, right subtree, that is 3. You can see here 3. So in this way, the whole thing will work. So whenever the tree is large, it is having 3 or 4 levels, and it is having more than 3-4 nodes, then what I will do? So I will start at the root node, and what I will do? First, I will consider the whole left subtree as left child, the whole right part as right subtree as right child. That is the thing. And again, in the next level, I will consider the same in order for the left subtree, and again I will consider the in order for right subtree. So in this way it will happen. So now consider pre-order. So pre-order means what? Root node, first root of what we call root of parent node, next left subtree, next right subtree. Generally what we do? Root node, left child, right child. But here instead of left child, I am considering as left subtree. So root node. So root is 1. So you can see here 1 first here. And next one is left subtree. So again left subtree, there are 3 nodes. So what I will do? I will consider the same pre-order for this left subtree. So what is the pre-order here? 2, that is root node. Next 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. So you can see here 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Next part is right subtree or right child 3. So you can see here. So first one is pre-order means first what I will do? I will print the root of parent node. What is the root of parent node? 1 is the root of parent node. So you can see here. Next, left subtree. You can see here. In this left subtree, again I will visit the nodes in the pre-order manner. Left subtree means at a time I can't visit all these nodes in the left subtree. So again I should have an order for visiting the nodes in the left subtree. Which order I follow? I will follow the same pre-order in the same subtree also. If I follow the pre-order in the same subtree, wow, no. What will happen? So you can see here. Pre-order means first 2. Next left child is 4. Next right child is 5. So 2, 4, 5. So you can see here in pre-order 2, 4, 5. Okay. So 2, 4, 5. So you can all of you. I think all of you have. So you can see 2, 4, 5. Next, so first root node is visited, one is visited. Next, left subtree is visited. Next, what I will visit? Right subtree or right child. But here we can see only right child. There is no right subtree. But here I can see in the left, I can see left subtree, not left child. So automatically right, instead of right subtree, there is right child. So automatically there is one node. So automatically I will visit that 3. Now you can see post order. Post order means what? First left subtree, next right subtree, next root or parent node. Root or parent node. Left subtree, right subtree, root or parent node. So if I take first left subtree, in the left subtree there are 3 nodes. So how I will visit the 3 nodes in the left subtree? I will consider the same post order traversal to visit the nodes in the left subtree. So what is the post order traversal? First post order means what? First left child, next right child, next root node. So you can see 4, 5, 2. So you can see here 4, 5, 2. So the whole left part, the left subtree is over. Visiting the left subtree is over. Next, what I will do? I will come to root node 1. Next, what post order means what? Root or parent node will be printed at the last. So first is left subtree, next is right subtree, next is root or parent node. So you can see left subtree. So you can see here 4, 5, 2. Left in the left subtree again. I will consider the post. What 1 minute? Again, so in the whole left subtree, again what I will do, in this I want to visit the first left subtree, next right subtree, next parent. So in again left subtree, I am having 3 nodes. So how I will visit the 3 nodes in the left subtree? I will consider the same post order traversal for visiting the nodes in the left subtree. So what they will do? So what in which way I can print 4. First is left child, next is right child, next is root 1. So you can see here in post order traversal. Left right root. So left in the left part again, left right root. Left is 4, right is 5, 2 is there. 2 is root. So you can see here 4, 1 minute. 4, 5, 2. Next one is 3. Next one is 3. That is right child. First one is left part, next one is right part. In right part, there is no right subtree, only right node is there. So I will print 3. Next one is root. So root or parent node will be printed at the last. Okay. So you can see 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. So here 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. So in order is 4, 2, 5, 1, 3. So you can see here. Again, you can see the cursor here. 4, 2, 5, 1, 3. Pre-order. 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. Post order. 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. So that is the order. So this in these 3 ways you can see here. In order is 4, 2, 5, 1, 3. Pre-order is 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. Post order is 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. That is the thing. So that is the way of visiting the nodes in a tree. So you can see the in order traversal. So if I take the algorithm for visiting the nodes in order, so what I will do, you can see the algorithm in order. First traverse the left subtree, that is called in order left subtree. We next is visit the root node or the parent node. Next is traverse the right subtree, that is called in order of right subtree. So if there is only left child and right child, it's okay. But if there is a left subtree and there is a right subtree, then what I will do? I will do the same thing of in order or pre-order for the, if I want the in order, then I will apply the same in order to the right subtree and left subtree also. Left subtree and right subtree also. So if there is a pre-order, if I am doing pre-order, I will also implement pre-order to the left subtree and right subtree. Post order also same thing. If there are only two childs, that is left child and right child, then it's okay. If there is a left subtree and right subtree, then what I will do, I will implement the same traversal to the left subtree and right subtree. It may be in order or post order or pre order. So you can see the algorithm here. Traverse the left subtree, that is call in order. In that left subtree also, what I will do, I will implement the in order for that left subtree. Next is visiting the node, visit the root. Next is traverse the right subtree, that is call in order right subtree. That means what? The same thing in here also, the same thing. What I will do, the same in order traverse the in order, I will use the in order function to traverse the right subtree. So you can see here, in order of right subtree, in order of left subtree. What I'm doing, I want to know the in order of whole tree. Then what I will do, I will do the in order of first left subtree, in order of right subtree, and next the root as it is I will print. So you can see that one. So here also pre-order, first visit the node. Pre means what? Your exams are preponed. That means what? Your exams will be conducted on or before the schedule. So pre means before. So the root node is visited before all the other nodes. So you can see here. Visit the node. Next, traverse the left subtree. That is call pre-order of left subtree. Next one is traverse the right subtree. That is call pre-order of right subtree. Okay, that is it. So visit the node, traverse the left subtree, traverse the right subtree. Traverse the left subtree means what? Left pre-order of left subtree, pre-order of right subtree. You can see here. So in the same way, post order. Traverse the left subtree, next traverse the right subtree, next visit the node. In that left subtree also, there are many nodes. Again, how I have to visit that nodes? Again, I should use the same algorithm. Post order of left subtree. In that left subtree also, I should follow the post order visiting of the nodes. In the right subtree also, I should follow the post order of visiting the nodes. You can see. You can now we will those are the algorithms. Now we will see a what we call program to implement the in order, pre-order, and post-order traversals. So you can see here. So you can see struct node into data, struct node star left, struct node star right. So you can see here struct node star new node. That is, if I want to add a new node, this is the thing. So node of data is equal data, and node of left to left node. So you can see the diagram. So now it is a, for printing the nodes in order, pre-order, post-order, the best program which I use is recursive program. That is, I will call the same function in that function only. So you can see here, void print post order. So if it is struct node star node, that is node, it is nothing but the address of the, so in the arguments what I will have the address of the parent node. So you can see here, struct node star node. So if node is null, if parent is null, return. Else, if it is not like that, printf post order of node of left, printf post order of node of right. Next, printf node of data. So you can see here the same thing. Printf post order of node of left means what is this one? So what is this one? This is the address of the left child. Node of left means left child. Node of right means address of right child. Node of data means address in the present node. So you can see here. Post order. So first what I will do, I will print the left part. Next what I will do, I will print the right part. Next what I will do, I will print the root node. So left part, right part, and node. You can see left, right, and node. So you can see left, right, and node. In that left only, in that left also, what I will do, printf post order of node of left means what? Again, the same function will be called. So here you can see print post order. Here also print post order. The name of this function is also print post order. Here also print post order. But what's the difference? Here in the starting, I will get the address of the parent node. Whereas here, I will be sending the address of the left child. So left child will become the parent, and the same post order will be implemented in the left subtree. So you can see the here also. Print post order, node of right. So in the node of right means in the node of right also, node of right means what? Address of the right node. I will send the address of the right node, and the same right part will be invoked here, and the whole right part will be used to print the values. So here also what the argument will be? The address of the right node. So in the same way you can see here. So previously I told, first I will visit the post order means what? I will first visit the left subtree, next right subtree, next root. In that left subtree also, what I will implement? The same post order I will implement. So here, how to implement the same post order? You can see here. Left, print post order node of left. Print post order right node of right. So that's the thing. Left subtree also I will do that one. In the right subtree also I will use the same post order traversal. That's why I am calling the same function print post order. Print post order. Okay. So you can see here. Printf %g node of data. You can see. Now you can see the same. In order means what? First visit the left child, next parent, next right child. In that left child also implement the same pre-order or in order. So you can see print in order. So again you can see print in order node of left. So go to the left child. Node of left means what? Address of the left child. So again I will take the address of the left child and consider it as parent, and again I will implement the whole algorithm. So again you can see printf percentage d node of data. That is, node of data means what? The present parent node. In that one, that some data is there. So that value will be printed. So you can see here. Next one. Printf in order node of write. Node of write. Node of write means what? Printf in order node of write. Node of write means print all the elements in the right subtree. Pre-order. Pre-order means what? First root node, next left subtree, next right subtree. So you can see here. Printf percentage d node of data. Next printf pre-order of node of left. First I will print the node and again the left subtree and again the right subtree. In again left subtree, what I will implement? The same pre-order. So print pre-order of node of left. Print pre-order of node of right. So that is it. So you can see the thing here into main. So struct node root is equal to new node. Root of left is equal to new node of 2. Root of right is equal to new node of 3. You can see here. So new node is nothing but inserting a node in the binary tree. Root of left is equal to new node 4. Root of left of right is equal to new node is equal to 5. So you can see. So 1 minute. So if I want, so if I do this one, so you can see that. So first one is new node of 1. So what I will do, here is 1. New node of root of left is 2. Root of right is 3. Next, see, root of left, root is 1, left is 2. Left of left is this one. In this one, what I'm doing, what I'm keeping 4. Next, root of left of right, root of left of right. So what I will do? So in this way, I will keep the nodes. Next one. So the new node function is previously the new node function is at the starting of this program. I think all of you have seen. So anyway, once I will show you. So you can see here. So new node. So new node. Struct node star node, struct malloc. So some node is created, one node is created. In that one, node of data, the data which I want to keep, it will be stored in the data part. And node of left, I will keep null. In node of right also, I will keep null. And return the node. Return the node means what? Address of the newly created node. The newly created node, I fill the three parts. That is the value 1 I have kept in the data part. In the left subchild, I have kept null, and the right and the right address part I have kept null. So that is it. In this way, I will implement it. So pre-order. So now, so first I have created the what we call tree. Okay. Pre-order traversal of binary tree is printf pre-order of root. Root is nothing but the address of the starting node, that is address of 1. Again, printf in order traversal of binary tree is printf in order of root. So print in order is nothing but a function. Print pre-order is nothing but a function. Print postmaster is nothing but a function which you have seen in the previous part. So for that one, what is the argument I am sending? Address of the root node. Address of the root node. So address of this node 1 I am sending as an argument. So you can see here. So if you take some void, so void print pre-order, struct node star node. Struct node star node means what? Node is a pointer of which type? Struct node. So there are pointers to integer, float, double. Here, what is the pointer? For which one I want a pointer? I want the pointer for address for a node of type struct node. So struct node. Okay, so you can see. So in the same way here also. Printf post order of root, printf in order of root, printf pre order of root. So that is the thing. So you can see here. So printf traversal of binary tree. So pre-order means what? First root node, next left subtree or left child, next right child or right subtree. So first root, first is what? 1. So next is left subtree. So in again this left subtree, I will invoke what I will invoke? I will invoke pre-order. So in this one, pre-order means what? First again I will print the root node 2, next left child 4, next right child is 5. So you can see here 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. So again, this left child is over. Now I will print the right child. So 3. So you can see here. Now in order. So in order you can see here. 4. So first in order means what? Left subchild next root node, next right subchild. In left subchild again left child, right, root node and right child. So 4 2 5, 4 2 5. Next is root node 1. Next is right child 3. So 4 2 5. So left child is over. In left child I will again invoke the in order. So 4 2 5. So left child root, root will be in between left and right child. So 4 2 5. So left part is over. Next one is I will print root 1. Next one is right. I will print 3. Post order. Post order means what? First left subchild, next right subchild, and next root. So you can see here left subchild. So in left subchild, again what I will invoke? I will invoke post order. So left subchild, what I will invoke? Post order. So 4 5 2. 4 5 2. So here you can see 4 5 2. So left subchild is over. Next what I will print? Next 3. Right node is 3. So I will print 3. Next what I will print? I will print root 1. So first is left subchild or left what we call subtree. So you can see here left subtree. Here left subtree is 2 4 5. In left subtree again I will invoke post order. If I invoke post order, what I will do? First left child is 4, next right child is 5, next in order that is root node 2. So 4 5 2. So you can see here 4 5 2. Next again 3. Right child is 3. Next again root node 1. So 1 is printed. So left child I have printed. Next right subtree means what? Right child. Here only right child is there. 3 is there. So I have printed 3. Next last is root. So in post order, the last element which I will be printing is root node. So 1 is printed at the last. So you can see that one. So you can see another example. So big example here. One minute. Okay. So all of you have to practice this big example. Then only you can understand. 1 minute. 1 minute. So 1 minute. Okay. So root. So you will take an example of some big example. So you can see here. So the last one which you can't see is 90. Okay, assume as 90. So now take the pre-order. I want the pre-order traversal for this big tree. This is a big tree. So you can see pre-order means what? First root node, next left subtree or left child, next right tree or right child. So root is 25. Next one is left subtree. Next right subtree. So in left subtree also again what I will do? I will print the same pre-order traversal. In the right sub, in the left subtree also same thing. So root is 15. Next root is 15 and again left subtree, right subtree. So left subtree, in what is the left subtree? This one is the left subtree 10 4 12. Here also what I will do? I will invoke the pre-order. So 10 4 12. So you can see here 10 4 12. So that's over. So 15 is the root node. First I printed left part, left subtree. Next I will be printing right subtree. So in right subtree again what I will do? I will invoke the pre-order. So 22 18 24, 22 18 24. So in the subtree also I will invoke the same pre-order. So pre-order of a tree means what? I will, how I will get a in order of a tree? I will implement the same pre-order or post order in order for the subtrees also. So that's the main thing you have to remember. For a tree, if I want any traversal, I will implement the same traversal algorithm for the subtrees in the tree also. Okay, you can see. So in this subtree 22, 18, 24, how you will invoke pre-order? First 22 root 22, next left, next right. 22, 18, 24. 22, 18, 24. So you can do it. So next one is 25 is over. Next one is root left subtree and right subtree. That is the right subtree. This is the right subtree. In this right, first I have printed root node. Next I have printed left subtree. Next what I will be doing? I will be printing the right node. That is right subtree. In the right subtree, what I will invoke? I will invoke the same pre-order traversal algorithm. So first I will print 50. So here you can see 50. Again I will print the left subtree, and again I will print the right subtree. In left subtree, what I will be printing again? See, first the root node is 35, next left is 31, next right is 44. So 35, 31, 44. 35, 31, 44. You can see here. So this left subtree is over. First I printed the root node 50. Next left subtree is this one 35, 31, 44. 35 is root node, left is 31, right is 44. So this part is over. Next what I will do, I will print the right node. So right node is, you can see here. First root in that right subtree, what is the root one? 70 is the one, first root one. So 70. Next is 66. Next 90. So 90 you can't see here. So I am telling. So in this subtree, right subtree, what I will be printing? 70, 66, 90. You can see that. So in the same way, post order. So you can see the post order. So post order is what? Post order means what? The root will be printed at the last. So what will be printed first? The left subtree. So for 25, what is the left subtree? This whole part is the left subtree. So first I will print the left subtree. In this left subtree again, what I will invoke? The same post order. Post order means what? Root 15 will be printed last. First which will be printed? The left subtree, next right subtree, next root. So in the left subtree also, what I will print? First 4, next 12, next 10. Left subtree, left leaf, right leaf, and root node. So 4, 12, 10. Next. Again the right subtree, I will be printing. Next what I will be printing? The root of parent node. So in the right subtree, what I will be printing? So you can see 18, 24, 22. So 18 is left child, and next one is right child, next one is root. 18, 24, 22. 18, 24, 22. So left subtree is over, right subtree is over. Now I will print the root node. What is the root here? 15. So you can see here 15. So now the whole left subtree is over printing. I will go for right subtree. In the right subtree also, I will invoke the post order traversal. So if I invoke the post order traversal, what is there? 50 is the root node. So I will printing last. First I will print the left subtree, next right subtree, next 50. In the left subtree, you can see here. In the left subtree, first I will be printing the 35. First I have to go to the root node 35. Because 35 is the root node, I will be printing last. First I will print 31, next 44, next 35. So 31, 44, 35. So you can see here 31, 44, 35. Root is printed at the last. Now the left subtree is over. I will go for the right subtree. In the right subtree also, I will invoke the same post order traversal. So post order means what? Root 70 will be last. First 66, 90 will be printed, and next root node 66, 90, 70. 66, 90, 70. So that's all. So left subtree is over, right subtree is over. In this whole right subtree, this left subtree and right subtree is over. Next I will print the root node 50. So you can see here. Print 50. Now if we take the whole big algorithm or the big tree, first the left subtree is over, next right subtree is over. Next I will be printing 25. You can see here 25. The root, the whole the main parent or root node is 25. It is printed at the last. Okay, you can see here. So in this way, you have to do the thing. Unless you practice, you can't understand. You have to practice. You have to take an example like this. You have taken an example like this, and you have to practice. Then only you can understand. Only one thing: take any tree, consider the left subtree as left child, consider the right subtree as right child. In the left subtree, again invoke the same traversal. It may be in order, pre-order, or post-order. In the right subtree also, invoke the same algorithm. It may be in order, post-order, or pre-order. So automatically in a recursive way, you can implement that one and you can print the nodes. So what is here, the order, you can see the nodes in order. 4, 10, 12, 15, 18, 22, 24, 25, 31, 35, 44, 50, 60, 70, 90. So pre-order 25, 15, 10, 4, 12, 4, 22, 18, 24, 50, 20, 35, 31, 44, 70, 60. What is this one? What is this list? It is the order of visiting the nodes. First, if I use the in order traversal algorithm, I will visit node 4 first, next 10, next I will visit 12, next I will visit 15, next I will visit 18, next I will visit 22, next I will visit 24, next I will visit 25, next I will visit 31, next I will visit 35, next 44, next 50, next 66, next 70, next 90. So this is order of visiting the nodes in a tree. So traversal means traveling and visiting the nodes. How I will visit? In different forms. It may be in order or post order or pre-order. In order, I will visit the nodes in one way. Pre-order, I will visit the node in one way. Post order, I will visit the nodes in one way. So unless you take an example like this live example and you practice the logic, you can't understand. Okay. So today's session I will be stopping. Okay. So tomorrow we will be discussing something like threaded binary trees. I have already sent unit 3 material. So all of you can practice the programs. You have to practice. Unless you practice, you can't understand. Again I am telling. If you practice the programs, it will be helpful for your exam, theory exam, practical exam, and in the next year for your placements also. So 1 or 2 persons called me. So I have told that one. So for your placements, the coding test is the main thing. You can ask your seniors. In coding test, only 2 things will be asked. One is CNDS, another is Python. So some big program will be given. You have to answer in CNDS or Python. So already some Python classes are going on. Anyway, these are Python is not in your syllabus. Okay, so you can learn differently. But here CNDS, it is in your syllabus. So once you practice the things, it will be useful for your placements also. Within a 2-3 months, you can't crack any placement. From now, if you practice, I think most of you are very leisure, are very free. No labs are there, no coming to college, all are at home. So I think all of you are having some internet facility. So you start doing practicing the programs. Okay.